how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing video. After 1 year later, I have another iPhone 16 Pro Max for you guys to unbox. This one, lovely looking iPhone 16 Pro Max box. Lovely, you can see the tag is still remaining here. An iPhone 17 we have now. I have unboxing video. If you want to check iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can check, and another version of iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. So lovely looking box. 1 year later, this one here, the tag is tagged still there, all the information is written. Beautiful. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here. Let's see, and we'll take this out. This is Desert Rose iPhone 16 Pro Max. Lovely white paper here. See the button, body of the phone. Let me show you a little bit. Let me take this off first. So here we go. Look at this, guys, how beautiful the phone is. Triple camera, 248 megapixel, one is 12 megapixel. Lovely background, lovely looking Apple logo here. If we put here near to iPhone 17 Pro Max, you see how changes over the year. And the beautiful 6.9-inch display, lovely, beautiful. The buttons here, this side mute button, and we have volume rocker key up and down, and a physical SIM because this is European version of iPhone. Bottom of the phone, you can see USB-C port with the two set of speaker, with heavy stereo speaker at the bottom. Lovely. This side of the phone, if you go, a giant power button, also you have camera button, antenna line. Beautiful, magnificent design. At the top we don't have anything. iPhone 17 you have antenna line at the top. In this, no. Lovely looking iPhone 16 Pro Max in this case. Lovely body. This is titanium phone. This is the last phone of Apple Pro Max titanium, because now Pro Max we have aluminum. So there is a big change in this case. If I hit the power button, so let's see here, power on your phone. Brand new version, brand new phone. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. I swipe up. Wow, beautiful Apple account code here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.